Hey everyone, this is Jordan Smith from Rapido Trains Inc. and today's a very exciting day. The Amtrak RTL Turboliners, in HO scale of course, are here, and we're going to do an unboxing today. So why don't we move over to the table and have a look at them right now. We've got our beautiful box set here. Josh has done an amazing job with the artwork on this. Let's see what we got inside. Right off the bat, you can see you have poster. You want to put that up on your wall, your layout room, something like that. Lift off the foam top. And there you have the 5-car set. You've got the 2 turbo power coaches, 2 regular coaches, and also the food service coach. But let's start to unbox this first. That's the foam blocks to kind of keep everything together there. Slide it out of the sleeve. Just lift that up. And there we go. We have actually 2 unique interiors. You either have the 4 across seating, which was a standard coach, or you have the 2+1 first class seating. All the seats are separately applied. We've even got the antimacassars on the back of the coach seats on the headrests. We've got a full cab interior with separately installed seats, separate windshield wipers. We've got the operating marker lights, the center headlight, the strobe lights operate, as well as the emergency light on the roof there. Full skirting detail, separately applied handrails on the cab side. We've got the grab irons just on the nose there. On the roof, we've got separately applied 5-chime horn. We've got Sinclair antenna. There is the exhaust stack for the turbo equipment. Separately applied roof vents. And looking at the underbody, fuel tanks, air conditioning equipment, ventilation equipment. 3rd rail shoe. This was for service into Grand Central Terminal in New York City. Now that's the power car. Well, there's the food service car. We have the food service area right in the center in that blanked off portion. Again, all of the detail you'd expect to see on a Rapido model. Air conditioning equipment, it's all there, all the plumbing and whatnot. There's the standard coach with 4 across seating. Same level of detail, just like the cafe. Lots of cool detail under there. Also in the ends, we've got diaphragm detail, all of the power receptacles and whatnot you would see. And we've also included the marker lights, which can be operated. One cool thing to note, we've included a special coupling mechanism on these cars. This is kind of an NEM style, European style coupler mechanism, and this actually allows the set to reliably run on curves as tight as 18-inch radius. We had a full 5-car set running at full speed on a figure 8 with 18s, and it ran flawlessly for hours in each direction. So that is a look at the Turboliners. Why don't we put it on the track and see if we can get it rolling? I think we're going to need a bigger boat.
When do you think he's going to get here? I've got no idea. Car! Car! What the?
Yeah, bro.
There's a weird guy with an Amtrak box here.
An Amtrak box?
Yeah.
Upstairs?
Yeah? Dad!
Rapido Bobby?
Yes, and with the delivery.
Holy moly! You guys! Oh. Now, gentle. Come over here so we can see what's going to get some light on it.
So, here's the beautiful box for the Turboliner. Features the
Okay. Let's go!
Wow.
Dad, can I at least touch it?
Very gently.
Bringing the 90s back.
Wow. Complete with the brakes.
The brake discs. All the third rail
pickups, yep.
And, as everybody always says, Phase 3, the best scheme.
I think so. Man, what an unboxing experience. Like, everything fit perfectly. Absolutely beautiful. And now we got little bags that have the couplers.
And they just
Should we read the directions? Nah, let's just see what happens. Let's just stick it together.
Yeah.
All right.
Snap right in.
Oh, it literally just clicks right in there. Well, that's easy.
I thought it would click
Just like that.
Hey, Dad, can I try coupling it?
You sure can, big guy.
Thanks. Bing.
That's it.
How fast does it go?
All right. Let's hear the old startup routine. Here we go.
The best part and the most exciting part.
Turn on those headlights too, T. Awesome. Well, we got a green signal.
Should we take it for a run?
Let's take it for a run. Oh.
Well, I guess we're delayed today.
Turbo train! Turbo train! Wait. Where's Amtrak at? I don't know.
Well, I don't really know what happened to Bobby, but
What
a train! Thanks from the Onondaga Cutoff.